Number 5 division is between 18. Ayan, gets it out to Cortizo. Lays it off. Anderson. 2 points. Kicks it out to Sumagay side. 6, 5. Oh, nice download pass there by Joseph Sumagay side. Reserve, guard number 9. Ready to Kanyeba, wide open three. Yes, sir! It's the ball to Sumagay side. Sumagay side, 3! Usog showing his handles. Here's the ball to Serrado. Blocked by Negin, rebound by Peralta. And recovery, for Sandelian, Sumagay side to Cortiza, 2 points! 6 out the letter, Usog, lays it up, penalty, 2 points! Resulta, Akbay lays it up, Anderson, 2 points! Cortiza bars another 3, bang! 3! Santelian Rice Tuyo battery double A 4 na piraso. Number 27, lays it off to Pisa. Celeste, lays it off, Anderson, 2 points. Ooh, easy layup there. For Frosty Killers, covers for Frosty Killers. Beltran now. Ooh, another steal. Usog contra now. Lays it off, Anderson, 2 points. 32. Tudinho back to Punzalan, fires for 3, off the bench, 3 points. Kicks it out, fires for 3, faster, and the foul is gold. So let's win the recovery, 2 points. Kanyeba puts it in. Kanyeba left wide open. That's it. Kanyeba to Usog, 2 points. Want the pass there. Kanyeba to Usog breaks. Akbay down low, 2 points. Good pass. Then a shoot. Dino to Celeste, reverse layup is good. Akbay mastering his way in. Force it to Anderson. Voltage from Frosty Killers. Usog picks up the letter. Easy 2 to Rodríguez. Balconete, 2 points. Assist by Celeste, 2 versus 1. Dino, easy layup. Basket, 2 points. 40. Rebound, 4 versus 1, Celeste to Reyes, back to Celeste. Ooh, a sorry miss and a foul is good. It's a 2-man connection. And a foul is good and gone. It's a 4 versus 2, Dino to Celeste, easy 2. Number John Roy Castillo. Usod. Tukagurungan 2 points. Dino showing his antes. Steal. Kagurungan lefty layup. Sorry mistake. Madera first for 3. Bam! 3. Point advantage for 18. Usog. Tukagurungan 2 points. John Roy, Torres, Dino, what a two-man game, naked! Massing his way in, National Basket, and one! The King General on the attack mode, force the jumper, 2 points! By Gortiza, to Resultai, lays it off, and it's good, 2 points! Number 25, steal by Gortiza. Resultai, another blowout layup. Oh, and the Stormy still again. Kanyeba finds Akbay, 2 points. This is his capacity to Akbay, back-to-back 2-pointer there for. Down low pass, kicks it out to Kanyeba. Kanyeba fakes. Kanyeba fires. Kanyeba shares anything. 2 points. To Kanyeba, down low, 2 points. 6-9. James Usog. To Badillo. What a connection there. Usog to Badillo, 2 points. Depleting the D. 4 shots. Resultai struggling. Santillan, 2 points. Usog fires the jumper. Make put back is good by Alera. 18 left. Gortiza splitting the D. Santillan down low, block shot. Number 27, Badillo. To Usog, easy two. Gortiza fires to short corner, 2 points. Usog. Gortiza fires. Naked. Rebound by Reyes, 2 points. 8 to shoot. Usog for 3. James Usog, 3. Dino now with another. Fires for 3. James. Down low, Akbay, 2 points, assist by James Usog. 4 points there for James Usog. This is his first season. King Gortiza, tumingin pa sa side mirror. Punsalan, off the bench, 3! James Usog now, guard by Punsalan. To Badillo, that's a long bomb, take it! Akbay, this is the glass, naked. Another offensive board. Akbay, oh! See a single possession there for. Fires for 3, bam! 3! Reyes with a slam jam, 2 points. Uses the 3. What a move there by James Usog! Suyo po dun sa tatlong motor, yung NMAX na dila. Yan. Kanyeba left wide open, 3! Solestre, guard by Badillo, back to Dino, wide open 3, naked, rebound. Usog to Kanyeba, naked, rebound by Reyes, Falconete with a spin, kicks it out to Dino, on the run now, with the Pinoy stick, Falconete recover Steiner. Kagurungan. Akbay recovers the leader to Kagurungan. Akbay mastering his way in. Napasene. Badillo put back set to team lead by 8. Sumagaysay recovers the leader. Reyes. Cross court to Gortiza. Gortiza fires a long bomb. Nugget rebound. Kanyeba to Usog. 3 versus 4 situation. Kanyeba steps back. Nugget. Gortiza on the run now. Celeste kicks it out to Falconete. Falconete for 3. 3. 7-point advantage for A team. Usog. Tuk Kagurungan. Kagurungan. Reyes takes. And that Season 4 recreational champs to Bantan against the rookie team Rehoboth. Sumagaysay. Joel Cruz. 12 to shoot. Celeste. To Sumagaysay. What a pass there. Falconete reverse layup misses. Rodriguez with the short stab. That is good. For Frosty Chillers, finds Kanyeba. Back to Usog. Usog. Kicks it out to Badillo. Badillo fakes. Step back. Finds Usog. Short stab. Naked. Rebound goes to Badillo. Sumagaysay. Naked. Kanyeba. It is down to 7. Gortiza finds Celeste. Double team. Sumagaysay to Falconete. Falconete passing his way in. 3 points. Usog finds Kagurungan. Ribay to Gortiza. Gortiza to Falconete. Lapas. Put back by Gortiza is good. Finds Kanyeba. Back to Usog. Usog. Struck by. Finds goal. And one. Last 3 minutes. Putback is good for Vice. James Usog setting things off for Frosty Chillers. Down by 10. Kagurungan. Good. Recovers the leader. Kanyeba splitting the D. Floats. Kagurungan is there. Rebound by Rodriguez. Rodriguez on the run now. Okay, Gortiza picks up the leader. Gortiza with the side step and layup is good. What are the adjustments of Team Frosty Chillers to take the lead? Ooh, a steal there by a 5. Kanyeba finds Usog. Usog. 12 to shoot. Gortiza guard by Usog. Gortiza takes his way in. Fires a floater. Nugget catches on miss. Nugget. Kanyeba answers that 3. 1-7. Falconete. Fouls 18. James Usog. To Kagurungan. Finds Herrera. Herrera for 3. Way off. Rebound by. Again, Rehoboth of Ryan Sakata. Aris Rodriguez with the